Hello there, it's Andy Garbett again from Graitec, and in this tutorial I'm going to take you through how to automatically point the client machines to the license utility which you will have already set up for using network licenses with the PowerPack. So if you go to Group Policy, we'll use the policy that we created before. If we edit this, now in this section it's under the user. So we need to go to Preferences, Windows Settings, Registry. And what we need to do is we need to basically add a registry key that will tell the software where to look to. So if we go New, Registry Item, set this to Create. It's in HKey Current User, which is correct. And the path that it needs to go to is Software Graitec License Manager. The key is all uppercase, Graitec License File. And in the value, you want 7621, which is for the default port that it will use, and then the name of the server that you've set up the license utility. In this case, it's deploy server. Then click OK and OK. And as with any group policy, you would need to run a GP update or let the machine reboot, but that should apply and create that create that registry key to point to the license server. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.